Hello. Welcome to Gian's vlog. And tonight I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot from your laptop. So, since I am a virtual assistant, taking screenshot is very useful because of the nature of our works. So, using a snipping tool, and it is already built in our laptop or computer. So if you do not know where to locate your snipping tool, just type it here, snipping tool. Yes, and it's here. So let's gonna open that one. Since I already have a snipping tool, so I pin it here so I can easily locate my snipping tool. So this is how to use the snipping tool. So let's take a new screenshot. You just simply double click it and then it's here. It's done. You're gonna save it. Save. Save. If you wanted to take another screenshot, you can just simply use this one, new snip or control N in your keyboard. You just simply click it here. So, and if you want to take some delay in taking a screenshot, you can use this one. So let's try it here. Then let's click new. So it will take 5 seconds to take a new screenshot. See? That's how it is, very simple to use. So if you want to put or add something, you can put or block pen if you want to emphasize something on your screenshot. So this is how to use the pen. Let's take a red pen, simply just like that, or take it an eraser to remove that pen. Make it highlight. So erase, or just copy the screenshot or send the screenshot. Just explore this menu here for your snipping tool. And also, if you want to add some text on your screenshot, you can simply edit it to the paint. Let's locate our screenshot. Where it is, so here. Since it is a recent file, so we can locate it on our recent file. So just right click to edit. Click edit. Then it's here. So if you want to make an emphasis, you can use paint just like this one if you want that, or you can add arrows if you want, or put some text on it. So see, and how you can edit your screenshots. So I guess that's it for tonight.